How to create Instagram profile. First, make sure that the Instagram app is downloaded to your device. After that has been done, let's head to the Instagram app. At the bottom of the page, you can see the option Create New Account. You just have to click on it. And now you may move forward with your mobile number, or if you want to use your email address, then right below next, you can see the option Sign Up with Email Address. You just have to click on it and then type in your email address. Once you've done that, click on Next. Now a confirmation code has been sent to your mailbox. You just have to go and check. This is the confirmation code that has been sent. You'll want to note it down. Then come back here and type in the code right here. Now again, click on Next. For the next step, you just have to type in your name. And now you have to create a password. Now you have to choose if you want to save the login info. If not, click on Not Now. Now Instagram is going to ask for your date of birth. Fill that in. Now again, you have to click on Next. And Instagram is going to provide you with a username. If you want to change it, go ahead and click on it. Change it to what you want. And then hit Next. Finally, you now have to agree to Instagram's terms and policies. And after that, you have successfully created an Instagram profile for yourself. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.